Hi guys, it's me Jack from JB Entertainment. I'm the lighting designer. Today I'm just going to be showing you through the lights we use here at JB Entertainment. It'll only be a short video of just the lighting, no sound. I'm going to do a sound in a few weeks time, I think. Now I've got a garage, so I thought I'll do a video. So today I'm just going to go through each and individual light, what they do, and I'll show you my DMX board and show you the chases I use in my gigs. Sometimes I change my chases around to suit the venue we're at. I pick my light when we go to gigs. It depends on the size of the venue. We decide what lighting we use when we get to the venue, and it depends what the client wants, and it also depends on what kind of gig it is. Like if it's a wedding, I will probably go out and I'll probably borrow some uplighting, because at the moment I've not reached into money to get uplighting. I've just got my lights behind me, which are, I'll just show you a quick second, normal lights, which creates patterns and different effects. And then I decide then what kind of smoke machines I'll use. I'll show you the smoke machines in a different video, but in this video I will just include what lighting I use, what lighting DMX board I use, and just go for all different chases. That'll be about it for this clip. See you in the next clip. Hey guys, I'm back in the next clip now, and the first light I'm going to show you is a ProSound 4-way mirror light. There we go. Very cool, gives great effects. Here's DMX, as you can see. So you've got your DMX in and DMX out. It gives you sound adjustments if you go into sound access mode. Here's the microphone. Here's the AC power in, and you got your dip switches here. It's got these cool rubbers on the side, so when you put your fixture down, it won't break, not to damage the fixture. Yeah, very cool light, gives great patterns, as I said. It never gets hot like the bulb lights. Really lightweight as well, really lightweight, and it's also got the clamp on top. So you just put your hooks through here and attach them to your lighting truss in. Yeah, so that's about it for that particular light. I'll be back in the next clip and show my next light. Guys, my next fixture is the Equinox Dualizer light. It's a double mirror scanner. As you can see, the mirrors rotate. I'm trying to put my hands on there, and then the images project. I don't know if you can see the projection here. There's a cooler on the front. There's also a fan on the back. It does make a little noise, but you can't tell when you do discos because the music in the background. Really light and weight. Got his hook on here. The only thing I don't like about this fixture is the lighted bar by here. It's too big. I think it needs to be smaller, but it doesn't matter. Here's the back of it. Ooh. Here is your dip switches, your DMX ins and outs by here, and you got your microphone adjustments for when it's in sound active mode, and your AC power in. And there's the microphone there as well. The mirrors. The only bad thing about this fixture is when you, after a gig, I always clean the mirrors because otherwise it can get dirty. The only thing is with carrying scanners to a gig, that's why I go on scanners, and the mirrors, the only thing is damaging the mirror in transport. So when you're in your car transporting back and forth to the gigs and to the venue, make sure you keep your mirrors down facing the ground, okay? So if you're on top and something slides on top of it, it will shatter the mirrors and it'll damage, and the light will break. That's the only bad thing about it. This is the next fixture I use. This is the Cam Mushroom. As you can see on the front here is with the images project out to these pieces of glass here, and also got a vent on the front. Here we go. I'll use the clamp to attach it to your lighting truss in. Same as the other light I showed you, the scanner, the Equinox Dualizer. On the back here, you've got your microphone output so you can check how much volume is going into the fixture. Here's your dip switches, your DMX ins and outs. There's the microphone here, AC power, and you also got an eye clamp here as well. So it gives you a bit more safety. It's quite a heavy fixture, so when you attach it to your lighting bar like so, you also can have a chain going out to make sure that it's not going to go anywhere if the bar break. Very cool fixture, gives great effect. It's weird, it's called a mushroom, but it's a great fixture. Guys, this is the next fixture I'm going to show you. This is the Cam XY Laser RGY, which is red, green and yellow. You're going to start off with the lighting bar. Here you go. Here's the lighting bar. You've got the hook here, so you can put a hook through it. I got a hole here, so you put the hook through it to hold the fixture up. On the side of it, it's got a fan to cool it down. Here's obviously the front with the glasses, where the laser projections are. At the back, it's got your DMX ins and outs, your AC power in and out. Your switch, that's a good thing, it's got a switch on it. It also got a safety key you can twist to take the key out. That's very handy. It also got, I don't use it, but there's an emergency stop button on it as well, because it is dangerous if it gets in somebody's eyes. It could blind them. And here is your fixture modes. You got your function button, your up, down, and enter button, and you got a little screen here, which you can see all the different menus you got. Also got rubbers underneath the fixture, so if you used to place it on the table, it wouldn't damage the light. Very lightweight, as you can see, it's only tiny. If I put my hand next to it, see, it isn't very big. It's not a very big fixture, but it's really good for small venues, but it's good as large venues too. But I use that in every gig I go to, especially with smoke. That's great with smoke. You could out a great laser pattern with smoke. Alright guys, here's the next fixture I'm going to show you. This is the NJD Scatter Twin. Here's the front of it, the surface. As you can see, got a lot of mirrors here, very light and weight. Here's the safety bar, which holds your fixture up right here. You've got your tightening brackets. And on the back, you've got your main power input. You've got your DMX ins and outs. You've got a safety eye as well. And then it's got your monitor to tell you all the different modes you got. You've got the mode button, the setup, up and down. Very cool fixture, very light and weight. It's got a motor on it, but it's got a fan to cool it down. But the motor makes quite a lot of noise, but it doesn't matter. As I said with the scanner, motors and fans don't really matter, because when you got sound on, you can't really tell. Next I'm going to show you my DMX board. I'll see you in the next clip. Guys, this is my DMX board. It is called the QTX DM/X12 192 channel DMX board. Here is the front of it. One sec. Here is the front. Down here you can select your fixtures. You've got 1 to 12. You select your different fixtures, and then you got your fixture slide bars here to operate the lighting. Then you've got your scenes. You can make scenes here, and then you've got your auto delete button here, and your copy, and then you've got your speed and your time. On here you've got all your different chases. By here you've got your thumb roll over here. Your thumb roll, so you can operate moving heads. But my button broke, the button part of it broke off. You've got a monitor screen as well on this side here to tell you what scenes and what lighting you're using. You've got banks. It's got 30 banks in here, so you save up to 30 banks because all your chases down here. You've got your blackout button right here, and it flashes with the yellow light. Show you the back of the board a bit quick. By here you got your main power button. You got a USB, maybe put a lamp in there, and then by here that's where you put your smoke machine buttons, DMX ins and outs, and then you got, I don't really know what that is. That is don't really know what that button is. I don't really know what that does, but I don't tend to mess with that. And you've also got your MIDI in as well. You've got your sound, your audio button, so you can connect it to a sound system. I've only recently got this board about 2 months ago. Really cool fixture, as you can see. Really light in weight, easy for me because I'm a mobile DJ. Very simple to use. I only need 6 chases, and I will show you what 6 chases I got saved in the next clip. Right guys, now I'm just going to run through the different chases I got and I'm using today. Alright, the first chase I got is when they're all on, so you can see all the lights operating now. Sorry, here's the first chase, you can see all the lights operating. It's just on ordinary flash mode now. Chase 2 is where they're all strobing, as you can see them all flashing. Chase 3 is when they're individually coming on. Chase 4 should just be the scanner, here you see, the laser here. And then this is your tops for the dance floor, so you've two at the front. And then you've got them all working, the top ones working individually, these two are better. Here's a chase I made. I'm going to leave the lights on a minute so you can see the different effects it uses. Yes, I programmed this now, my lighting seat, and it's got 6 chases as you've just seen. 6 chases. Very cool. They've give great patterns. You can see some of the patterns on the roof behind me. I will get to show you the patterns eventually. In my next gig I'll show you that. I can't show this now because it's at the moment it's daytime. You can't really see. You can only see the ones which are on the roof, which you can see right here on top of the roof. But anyway, when we go to our next gig, I will show you we're all set up. That's about it for this video. Subscribe to this video. Follow me on Instagram at JBEntertainment38. That's JBEntertainment38. You can also follow us. Go ahead and follow us on Twitter as well, which is JB Entertainment. Same as our Facebook, JB Entertainment. What else can we follow? You can also contact us over email, which is jbdjing@mail.com. I'll repeat that, jbdjing@mail.com. You've got all contact information. I'll leave in the video somewhere, I don't know, maybe here. I'll leave all the videos information here. And if you want to know anything about the lighting, any of the lights, the DMX board, or what cables we use, don't be afraid to leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.